Hello guys, this is me, Samuel the Talking Gadget Guy 2020, here again on YouTube, and today is Sunday the 13th of September, and I'm only going to do one song on YouTube, which is called Singing in the Rain. And before I do this song, if you like this video afterwards, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, enjoy. So here we go. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm lost in the clouds, so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Dancing in the rain, da 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 da. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. Hope you enjoy.